On the aftermath of the flash floods swept through Muong Than Commune in Lai Chau Province, 70 people have been confirmed dead and one remains missing. The disaster has not only claimed lives but also severely impacted transportation networks, with roads damaged and covered in debris. And our reporter Muong Than joins us live from the scenes with more.
I'm currently on National Road 32 in Muong Than Commune, Lai Chau Province. This is one of the main roads used by local residents for their daily commutes. This road used to be closed due to the recent flood. However, thanks to the efforts of the traffic personnel and cleanup team, this road has reopened to traffic. But as you can see, the traffic flow is still slow as the impacts of the flood are visible. Right behind me, the water continues to flow across the road. Piles of rocks, sand, and debris lines on both sides of the road and remain scattered across the surface. And this is why drivers have to be extremely careful and slow down as they go past this section. Now, a cleanup operation is still being carried out to make sure that the traffic will return to its normal condition as soon as possible. Thank you. Reporting for Vietnam Today from Muong Than Commune, Lai Chau Province.
And thank you, Muong Than, for the updates. And we wish you and everyone involved in the recovery operation the best as the effort continues.